Former Northern legislator Mliswa is once again thrust himself into the center of political firestorm, claiming that elements within Zimbabwe's security apparatus are actively plotting to silence him. In a series of posts dated late February and early March 2026, Mliswa alleged that a group of military officials recently convened a secret meeting with the sole resolution of stopping his political activities. According to Mliswa, a formal report of the meeting was subsequently delivered to a high-ranking officer identified as Colonel Baloyi. Sarabina mashikobudani vachenze Mliswa Orohwa na VP Chiwenga ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamobuna inkomchenze. Mliswa, known for his vocal and often controversial presence in Zimbabwean politics, expressed profound respect for the military's leadership but warned against certain elements using the authority for personal political ambitions. He took a dark turn in his rhetoric, stating that Zimbabwe has never been known for a culture of assassinations and cautioned that those engaging in such schemes would face inevitable repercussions. This public accusation has sent shockwaves through social media, with many questioning the specific nature of the threat he faces. The outspoken politician also used the moment to re-evaluate the history of the 2017 transition. Mliswa argued that Operation Restore Legacy was not a military coup in the traditional sense, but rather a people revolutionary fueled by parliamentary impeachment proceedings and mass uprisings that compelled Robert Mugabe to resign. He warned that no individual or faction should attempt to commander that historical moment for current political gain, reiterating his steadfast loyalty to the nation's current leadership while demanding protection for individual freedoms. Public reaction to Mliswa's claims has been sharply polarized. While some supporters view him as a brave whistleblower standing up to a deep state military faction, critics have labeled him an opportunist and a serial betrayer. Some social media commentators dismiss him as an insignificant figure in the greater scheme of things, suggesting his accusations are merely an attempt to remain relevant in a political landscape increasingly dominated in heavyweights like Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Ndoma developments anobuda pamusoro pamashoko ari kufamba achitaurwa naTemba Mliswa. Rakomesa section medu dzafungura aim kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.